If you're looking to take advantage of Florida's favorable tax breaks and homestead protections, you'll need more than just a Florida address to do so. Hi, I'm Anila Rasul, attorney and founder of ASR Law Firm here in Florida, where we help new residents navigate the legal steps of establishing Florida residency the right way. If you've recently moved or are planning to move to Florida, then we should talk about how to make Florida your permanent home in the eyes of the law. This is really important if you want to take advantage of Florida's tax benefits, homestead exemptions, and other protections. So how do you actually prove you're a Florida resident? Here are a couple practical steps that you could take. First, apply for the Florida homestead exemption. If you own property here, claiming the homestead exemption not only saves you on property taxes, it's also one of the strongest indicators that Florida is your primary residence. Next, update your estate planning documents. Your will, your trust, your powers of attorney should all reflect your new Florida address and comply with Florida law. This helps eliminate any confusion down the road about which state's rules apply to your state. Third, don't forget your driver's license and vehicle registration. Florida requires you to get a state driver's license within 30 days of moving. You'll also want to register your car or any other vehicles here. 4, register to vote in Florida. And even better, actually vote. That's solid proof that Florida is your home base. 5, open a local Florida bank account. While keeping an out-of-state account isn't a problem necessarily, opening a Florida-based account strengthens your residency claim. 6, notify tax authorities. Be sure to update your address with the IRS and formally let your previous state's tax department know that you've moved. It's worth noting, however, that some states might have specific requirements to officially terminate your residency there. Next, consider filing a declaration of domicile. Now, this is a formal document that you can file in the county in which you live to publicly declare that Florida is your permanent home. It's not mandated, but it can be very helpful if there's ever a question about where you live. And lastly, update your mailing addresses and enroll your child, any school-age children you have, in Florida schools. Remember, you don't have to do everything on this list, but the more steps that you take, the easier it'll be to prove your Florida residency if it's ever challenged, especially for tax purposes. If you're unsure where to start or you need assistance making sure that all your legal ducks are in a row, let's chat. I'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please like, comment, or share it with someone else who might find it helpful too.